Hey there, Shooting Kid.
Hey.
So, what are we doing?
Oh, we're doing presets for a video system we just installed.
Yeah.
We did a 3-camera setup. We ran Cat 5e and SDI in 2 days. So
yeah, scream through it. There are 3 of us working at our local church here, and they've been wanting to do video and at least live editing, because we've been doing a lot of post-production editing through all this pandemic time.
We can't say
I don't really want to. Anyway, so that's kind of what we're doing. We're wrapping that up, and let's take a look and see what we got. Explain what we got.
So this is our setup. So we got our PTZ Optics super controller here. So this lets me operate my cameras from a secured location. So like this room here, it's non-visible to the audience. So we can do all of our editing here. So like right now we'll do, and then this is our switcher. So this helps us switch the cameras, and it'll cut to the main program. So like I have my camera 1. And say I want to do, I have all my presets on this little sheet of cardboard here. So for this, I want to do a full band shot. I want to see everybody playing. So I'm going to do I'll do this thing, camera 1. And then I'm going to do recall number 2, which is my preset, and then enter. And everybody will be able to be seen. And then if I want that to be from preview to program over here, I can cut it.
There you go.
And it'll switch it to the program, and that's what everybody on live will see. Well, when we get to live. Right now, it's not live. So this is a official diagram, very official. We spared no expense. Cardboard and pen always work great.
Yeah.
We have a lot of volunteers that have no clue what any of this does. I fortunately have a lot of experience. So this is our stage design here. This is our minister stage where our speaker will be. This is how we do presets. So we'll hit a recall, the number, and then we press enter, and that'll go into our preset. I have my camera layout here for all my volunteers to see, so that way they do not get confused. So we got camera 1, which will be stage right hand side. Camera 2, which will be straight forward, and then camera 3, which will be stage left. Let's go do a walk. So we have camera 3 right there, camera 2 on this pole right here, and then camera 1 on that little ledge right over there. Now we're in the room here, as we like to call it.
It's the closet.
The closet.
Yeah.
Where we get to come in and out of the closet. So on the other side here, I just laid out my presets because I even need this. I will not remember any of my presets that I personally did. So this will be really useful for every single volunteer you have at a church.
You know what I find so funny? We are so high tech, yet we're using a pen and a piece of cardboard.
Oh, for sure. Yeah. Well, this is just for now. I'm going to go home and I'll write up a little script on a piece of paper for everybody, because not everybody can read my awful chicken scratch.
Yeah.
So this just helps to do the presets. This will get everybody in kind of the groove. About after a year, we should not need this piece of cardboard or paper. We should kind of be able to have it memorized. At least I would. Hopefully, not our volunteers won't have to. But
yeah.
So if you're our volunteer and you see this video, we expect you to memorize everything.
Especially that
Especially
stuff right
this.
You get a jump on it right now. Take a look at that. Write it down. Take a
screenshot
picture of it. It's all there.
There.
Everything you need to know about video right there. So there you go. We're getting this thing all set up for the church.
Yep.
And if you guys are interested in knowing any more about what we're doing here, leave us a comment down below. Be happy to share with you what we're doing. I've been trying to, every time we get together with you, ask you, how are you doing? And it's been amazing, and I thank you. Many of you have been responding, and both having a good time, having an okay time, and having a challenging time. So if you're in any of those categories or anywhere in between, let me know, especially if you're having a challenging time. Let us know. We want to pray for you. I don't know where your faith is or what it's in, but ours is in God, the one true God. And we want to pray for you if you've got some issues and problems. I just want to talk to you. So you can send us an email.
Hit us up on Facebook or Instagram. Or
yeah,
whatever.
Facebook, Instagram, Shootinguy. theShootinguy.com. Go there and hit the contact button and get a hold of us that way. It's pretty anonymous if you want to do it that way, or you can just send an email to theShootinguy@gmail.com. Okay? Do that. Anyway, we're going to close it out right now. Thank you, Shooting Kid.
Of course.
Talk to you guys later. Don't forget, leave a comment down below. Get a hold of us. We love you. God bless you. God bless America.
May America bless God.